What it do, guys? I wanted to make a little unboxing video. I got this new Sony Bx420, it says, but it's a 420. It's a 32-inch. Yeah, I downgraded it from my 37 Panasonic and it fucking sucked. You know what I'm saying? It fucking sucked. Alright. Let me get a better angle for y'all. Alright. Here we go. So this is the Bx420 series, and it's I heard it's a good quality TV. The picture quality, I could have bought a 3D Toshiba one or other shit, but you know, I'm not looking forward for the 3D after I already got a Vizio one, cause I fucking hate it. Well, I hated the colors, the picture quality, and everything. Look, we got the control. Pretty sure the screws and mounts, which I won't be needing because I already got a wall mount ready for this sucker. Fucking, I don't know what the fuck this is. Let me show y'all. The fuck? Like they just added shit to this fucking package. Well, looks like it's brand new. Spanking new. People complain on Amazon that they got used ones. Hopefully that wouldn't happen to me, and that didn't. Brand new with a stand. I already got one of these stands. Damn, up there. It's like my other TV, but this is a newer kind. So this is probably a 3 and 1080p. The one that I got up there is 720, so you can look. This is my old one. Sunlight hitting you horribly. Hold on. Yeah, the sunlight's hitting you horribly. There you go. Well, anyways, I got that one, so. But I want a new TV. I want a 1080p. Look at this bad boy. Ooh. See this? Here's the TV. It looks almost like my other TV, but I guess it's newer. That's probably a 1 engine. This is probably a 3, and it's 1080p. That one's 720. So you guys can see it. These. Got my new TV. Got the control. I'm ready to go, man. I'm about to try it out right now, and then I'm gonna put it in the stand waiting for my flight stick. Gonna make a review on that too, but not a review, but you know what I'm talking about, like an unboxing shit. But I'm out.